So we have a great case today with a CrossFit athlete who 3 days ago was doing a jump rope double unders and felt acute sudden pain in the Achilles, right where it attached to the heel, stopped, discontinued his workout, and he's been resting all week. It's still painful going up and down stairs. Toe off is the issue. He can do a toe raise, but toe off, like walking and striding, is where he gets his pain. So walking downstairs, toe off, eyes giving pain, even though it's in the Achilles, I think there's a mechanical blockage. So we did his joint play assessment, and we found out he does have a lock of the transverse tarsal joint. It's just blocked right in there. However, there is a strain of the Achilles as well at the distal attachment into the Achilles. So it's in the tendon itself. We're going to start off with some Winback on the Achilles to relax the calf and get right into that tendon. You can see it's not acutely swollen, which is great. And then we're going to finish off with RPW over the calf. So some Winback first, and then we'll get into the Achilles. We're going to do some RET in through here, and we'll do a little combination CET on the calf with RET, and then we'll finish off with an ankle adjustment, and then we're going to see how his push-off is walking. So we just finished the Winback on Scott's gastroc and Achilles. We adjusted his transverse tarsal joint. There's also some dysfunction in the cuneo-navicular junction, but we took care of that as well. Scott notices it actually feels a little better because the mechanical dysfunction was also aggravating the Achilles. So would give you a regular adjustment, but the bottom line is it's a combination of treating the joints and the muscles, and we're going to do just fine. This is the second visit for an Achilles strain. We did some RET the other day with some CET on the calf, and it's feeling much better. Remember, we found the transverse tarsal joint was dysfunctional. We took care of that. Still treated the transverse tarsal joint today. But if you look at the Achilles closely, we can see it is a little swollen in here. All right. As we palpate it, it may be some fibrous nodules as well. And when we push, you can see how the fluid wave goes straight through to the other side from here to here. And it's tender a little bit too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's tender a little bit. So we're going to get it with RET plus in through here on both sides, and then bring it into the attachment of the calcaneus, go a little bit into the soleus, and then we'll reassess.